Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I have this awesome Oreo cheesecake for you, and I'm gonna show you step by step how to prepare this delicious cake. I'm gonna start with the crust, for which I'm gonna use 130 grams of Oreo cookies and 50 grams of butter. I'm gonna use this food processor to make the cookies into crumbs, and in the past I found in the store Oreo crumbs already pre-made, so if you find those you can use them. I use just simple Oreo cookies. I put the crumbs in this bowl and melted butter and mix all together. This cake is delicious and is really good in the summer because you're not gonna use the oven to bake anything. So all that mixture I'm gonna put it now in the cake tin and press it and put it in the fridge. And let's do the filling. For the filling I'm gonna use again Oreo cookies, around 140 grams, 100 grams of powdered sugar, 200 grams of cream, and I use one with 35% fat, and 600 grams of cream cheese. I'm gonna whip up the cream, keep it in the fridge before using it. Use the mixer because it's gonna work faster. Add powdered sugar. Now let it aside and let's soften up a bit the cream cheese. Use the mixer again. Add a bit of vanilla extract if you like. It's gonna give more flavor. And now let's combine everything. So split the cream cheese in 3 parts and break the cookies into smaller pieces and fold everything with a spatula. You don't need a mixer anymore. Add again some cream cheese and more cookies, and this is pretty much the filling. But simple things are sometimes the best one. We tend to overcomplicate things. Now I'll put the filling over the crust in the same tin. I will level everything, press everything nicely in the cake tin, and have this in the fridge for at least 4 hours before serving. But let's do a glaze. We need the cake to be pretty as well. So I'm gonna use 100 grams of chocolate, 1 teaspoon of coconut butter, and some hazelnuts for decor. I will heat up some water, break the chocolate into smaller pieces, and melt the chocolate over that hot water. Is the simplest way to melt it and no risk on burning it. And look how nice the chocolate is now, melted like this. Is still shiny. Add coconut butter over, mix. You can use just simple butter if you don't like or don't have coconut butter. Don't let this stop you on preparing this cake. And pour the glaze over the cool cake from the fridge. Spread it nicely, and I will decorate it with some hazelnuts that I'm just broken up in smaller pieces. You can use whatever or just leave it like that, just with chocolate. Make sure to keep the cake in the fridge before serving it, and also if you like it as an ice cream you can keep this in the freezer for a bit before serving it. It's delicious, simple, and it looks pretty nice. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you here next time. Until then, 5 reasons to smile. Bye bye.